Landboards presents using the MHS-5200A Signal Generator with Digital Logic. There's a common trap that you can fall into when using signal generators with digital logic. Here's a square wave 5 volts peak to peak that you might think would work, hey, just fine for TTL Logic, right? However, if you did this, you'd be going in the wrong direction and you may even damage your circuit. The reason this is a problem is that digital logic runs from 5 volts down to ground, and your signal generator runs from minus 2.5 volts to plus 2.5 volts if you set it to 5 volts peak to peak. You can, however, set the signal generator to offset the voltage to TTL levels. You can see this if you look at the original square wave. The yellow triangle on the left is pointing to where the ground is. The output swing goes from plus 2.5 volts down to minus 2.5 volts, and that's a damaging level for the input of a TTL part. Fortunately, this can be corrected relatively easily on the signal generator. Go to the menu item for offset, OFFS, and increase the offset up to 100%, and that'll set it at the correct position for 5 volt operation. Here you can see what it looks like on the oscilloscope as I make those steps up by 10% from 0% to 100%. When it's at 100%, the line of the ground is setting at the 0 volts of the square wave, and the high is set at 5 volts, which is what you want for TTL. However, there's an even better way to make TTL outputs. At the rear of the signal generator, there's a place that this little paddle card plugs into, and if you take the ground line and the TTL out line 1, you can get the same signal out as a TTL signal. This is the output 1 signal, and as you note, it goes from 0 volts to 3.3 volts, so it looks like it's the 3.3 volts version of TTL, but most TTL will work just fine with that level. This might be specific to our unit, but outputs 1 and 3 and 4 are all channel 1, and output 2 looks like it's channel 2. So hopefully that helps you avoid a common trap that we've all fallen into with signal generators and logic. Thanks for watching our video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.